Ever wondered how to make your own high-quality detergent at home? Welcome to the Mela Liquid Detergent Making Tutorial, a step-by-step guide to creating a top-notch liquid detergent right in your own kitchen or garage. Now you might ask, what sets Mela apart from other detergents? The answer is simple, it's all about the active matter. Unlike traditional detergents that rely on foam and viscosity, Mela prioritizes the percentage of active matter, ensuring a higher level of effectiveness. So, what do you need to start your detergent-making journey? The raw materials are key, from surfactants like Lobsa and Cell-Ez for effective cleaning, to alkalis like caustic soda for maintaining pH balance. Each ingredient is vital. And don't worry about needing complex machinery. All you require are some stainless steel or plastic barrels, an electrical mixer, a digital balance, and of course, safety gear. The starting formulation for Mela liquid detergent has been carefully curated for maximum cleaning power. But the real magic happens in the production process. By mixing water with surfactants, adding a thickener, preservatives, colorants, and fragrance, and then adjusting the pH and viscosity, you'll create a detergent that truly stands out. But remember, safety always comes first. Ensure you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment, store your raw materials correctly, and always add chemicals to water, not the other way around. So, to sum it all up, Mela Liquid Detergent is a customizable, affordable, and effective solution for all your cleaning needs. It's not just about making detergent, it's about unleashing your entrepreneurial spirit, responding to customer needs, and maintaining a commitment to quality. Thank you for joining this Mela Liquid Detergent making journey. Remember, the training manual is your friend for further details. Until next time, happy detergent crafting, and stay clean.